Plants are actually living things and they would like to stay living things. They're also a lot more complex than you may think. Just like animals either defend themselves or run away, plants too also protect themselves because they don't want to be eaten by predators. The problem is plants are rooted to the ground and cannot move, so they have to defend themselves through other physical and chemical means. For untold millennia, plants have evolved countless symbiotic relationships with other organisms and insects to help protect them against other predators. Emerging research is starting to show that plants are actually sentient since they pretty much can hear, touch, smell, feel, and even scream when they are being eaten. They can also detect specifically what predator is eating them and react accordingly to ensure its survival. They can also communicate and alert other nearby plants of danger, allowing them time to produce the necessary defenses to ward off invaders. The biology of plants is a lot more complex than we can currently fathom, but the toxic nature of plants is pretty well known in the scientific literature. Keep this information hidden from vegans because if they were to find out, they would probably starve to death after the sudden realization that in order to eat something, something else has to die. One of the main ways plants defend themselves is by producing chemicals, and throughout time, plants have co-evolved at war with animals through what is called animal-plant warfare and the secondary metabolite evolution. As a response to herbivory, plants evolved primary defenses like thorns to keep away predators. Funny enough, it mentions this in the Bible. Animals then evolve adapted physiques to counter these defenses, so plants later evolve other defenses that include phytochemicals that disrupt the digestive tract in animals, overloading them with toxins and nutrient inhibitors that eventually cause them to die. When you cut up an onion in the kitchen and the fumes start to burn your eyes, this is an example of plants trying to prevent you from eating them because they are toxic. Humans are even more vulnerable to these chemicals because we are not herbivores and we do not possess the same robust detoxification systems that they have. The bottom line is all plants are inherently toxic to some degree, all containing various amounts of phytochemicals to prevent anything from eating them, because that is how they stay alive.